You sit down to work, but suddenly, checking your phone feels way more important. But this isn't laziness. It's actually your brain doing what it thinks is best. Your brain hates stress and effort, so when something feels hard, it pushes you toward easier things. Why? Because quick rewards like scrolling or watching videos.
94,000 subscribers, 57 videos, few months. That's it. One channel posting AI Stickman animations, static images, not even animated, pulling massive views with content that costs literally nothing to make. You're about to get the full workflow. One prompt generates everything. Free tools only. Let's go. Why Stickman content works. Look at this channel. 94,000 subscribers from 57 uploads. The creator is earning serious money. The images are static. They don't even animate the Stickman characters. Just still images with voiceover and music. That's it. And they're still racking up views. So imagine what happens when you actually animate yours. That's exactly what I'm going to show you. Same niche. Better execution. Completely free. Everything starts with one prompt. I've put it in the description. Go grab it right now. This single prompt gives you your full video script, scene-by-scene voiceover narration, image generation prompts, and video animation prompts. All from one input. The prompt is set to 59 seconds by default, but you control the length. Want a 2-minute video? Edit the time. 3 minutes? Change it. 5 minutes? Same thing. For a 30-second to 1-minute video, 5 to 6 scenes is enough. For 2 to 3 minutes, write 20 to 25 scenes. Don't let that number scare you. The process is the same whether it's 5 scenes or 25. Once you learn the workflow, you're just repeating steps. Step 1. Generate your script with ChatGPT. Open a ChatGPT. If you already have a topic, skip ahead. If not, ask ChatGPT to give you short motivational or psychological video topic ideas. It'll spit out a list. Pick the one that hits hardest. Something like, why your brain loves procrastination. Now paste the prompt from the description. Swap in your topic where the placeholder is. Hit enter. One prompt. That's all it takes. ChatGPT generates your complete video script with scene-by-scene voiceover text, image prompts for every scene, and video animation prompts. Everything you need for the entire video from one single input. Save this output. You're about to use every piece of it. Step 2. Generate Stickman images with Gemini. Open Gemini. Click Create Image. Now here's the key. Upload a sample Stickman image first. You can screenshot one from my video or grab one from Google. This reference keeps your character consistent across every scene. Copy the image prompt for scene 1 from your ChatGPT output. Paste it into Gemini. Generate, download. That's it. One scene done. Now repeat for every scene in your script. Same process, same reference image. Consistent character every time. All images downloaded? Good. Now let's make them move. Step 3. Animate with Grok AI. Go to Grok AI. Click on Imagine. Upload your first scene image. Paste the first video animation prompt from your ChatGPT output. Generate. Once it's done, upscale to 1080p. Download. Move to scene 2. Same steps. Upload. Prompt. Generate. Upscale. Download. Repeat until every scene is animated. One thing you need to know. Grok AI's free version caps you at 20 generations per day. If you hit the limit, use a temporary email service like Temp Mail to create a new account and keep generating. I've covered that workaround in detail in another video. Link is in the description and pinned comment. All scenes animated? Step 4. Generate your voiceover. Head to a free text-to-speech website. Paste your script from the ChatGPT output. Quick note. There's a 2,000 character limit per generation, but you can generate unlimited times. Just break your script into parts. Listen through the voice options before you commit. Pick one that matches your content. Click Convert. Within about 90 seconds, your audio is ready to download. Free. Unlimited. No account needed. Voiceover done. Let's assemble everything. Step 5. Edit and import all your animated scenes into any video editor. CapCut, DaVinci, whatever you use. Line them up in order. Drop your voiceover onto the timeline. Match each audio section to its corresponding scene using the scene-by-scene breakdown ChatGPT gave you. Trim the clips, tighten the timing, add background music, keep it subtle, don't drown out the narration. Review the full video once. Make sure the pacing feels right. Export. Done. You just made a fully animated Stickman video that looks better than channels pulling 90,000 subscribers to be, and you didn't spend a cent. Full workflow. One ChatGPT prompt generates your script, voiceover text, image prompts, and animation prompts. Gemini builds your scenes. Grok AI animates them. Free text-to-speech handles the voice. Editor stitches it together. $0 spent. Channels are building massive audiences with this format, using static images. You now know how to do it with actual animation. You're already ahead. Every prompt and resource from this video is inside the Telegram group. Grab them free at the link in the description or pinned comment. If you want to keep finding free AI workflows like this before everyone else catches on, subscribe to Publish to Profit. Check out the videos on your screen for more strategies. I'll see you in the next one.